Hello and what's up everyone. So if you're someone who wanna enable first charging option on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, stay with us because in this video we're gonna show you how to do that and also what to do when you wanna freak slow charge on your Galaxy phone. Now to enable fast charging option, straight from your phone settings, scroll down for battery and device care. Tap on it and next go to battery section. Scroll down a bit and then go to more battery settings. Now here what you have to do is toggle on first charging option. Now in case you're using a wireless charger, you can toggle this on as well. And after that, when you're connected to your charger, the first charging option will be activated on your Galaxy phone. Now if your first charging option doesn't work, even if you activated this, make sure the adapter you're using is first charging enabled. Also, the cable you're using with your adapter is functioning or working properly. And last but not the least, in case of hot weather or ambience, or if your phone is facing overheating issues, first charging option will automatically turn off. And hey, there's an idea. If you're in a hurry, just turn on airplane mode on your phone and charge it. Trust me, it'll charge faster than usual. So that's how you can enable first charging on your Galaxy S23 phone. So let us know what made you interested in first charging in the first place. Share with us in the comment section. Thank you for watching.